We have a one color print on 2 dozen black t-shirts, but I only got 1 hour to print them. So let's get started. Yo, this is El Bate. Be there shortly. Don't let me down.
Although John doesn't have any screens coded, he begins by coding screens using his Ecotex HV motion.
When it comes to coding screens, you're gonna need a scoop coder. And if you notice, if you have a scoop coder, there's a sharp side and there's a round side. And what you're looking for is to use the sharp side. I use my sharp side use all the measures from 110 all the way up. I only use the round side for anything like an 80 mesh, 60, 40, yeah. But just the sharp side. And today, since we're gonna speed up the screen in 20 minutes, has to be dry, we're just gonna use the sharp side and we're only gonna code one side.
John coats the screen on the ink side twice, and then places it in the rack with the print side down, and places a fan directly, hoping to dry in 20 minutes. After that, it's time to turn on the conveyor dryer, the flashing unit, and start printing the design. And here is the knock at the door.
Yes? Yeah, I didn't want to startle you, so I figured that I'll come into the back. My name is El Bate. Can I help you? Yeah, I'm here to pick up the shirts. The boss sent me. Oh, come on in. I'm starting on the shirts right now, so you could have a seat. Oh, thank you, man. All right, yo. Nice looking shop you got up in here, man. Very, very interesting.
And so it's time to expose the screen. First, he puts the film on top of the glass facing up, and then places the screen on top of the film, print side down. He puts the timer at 20 seconds and then expose. Next, he takes it to the wash booth using a pressure washer to wash off the stencil. Then puts it in front of a fan to dry.
While the screen is drying up, I already got all the shirts on the table. Now it's time to prep the ink.
Screen is drying, John preps his ink by adding 10% of soft hand base to the white plastisol ink using a digital scale. And then you mix.
All right, next, I'm gonna place my film on palette. And if you have not seen my video of how to create a registration on your palette where you don't have to be having rulers and markers and line, how to create this and print it on a screen, check it out. I'm gonna have it in the description down below. Check out the video. It's awesome, man. How to do this where you don't have to do no more rulers and markers, man. Now you're gonna put your film, and you see here I put the registration mark, so I could line up here. So now I know that my film is actually straight, and by touching my film to the end of the palette, oh man, that is completely straight there. Then I come, put a little tape here in the corners, so it will move once I bring the screen. Then I'm gonna come, bring my screen down, and then I line it up and get ready to print. All right, the next thing I wanna do is I'm gonna use the double tack tape, and I'm not gonna cover the whole palette. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is just cut them in strips that the image fits in, and then just place them one by one on all 6. And after I cut them all up, they're already all done. All it took is the size of just one palette, cut them up in 6 strips, and you got it. And you're saving money by using that. You don't need to put the whole double tack on the whole palette, just on the size of the image, and this is the size of the image is gonna fit there, and that's how you save money and be able to keep working. And now, all these babies, they all got it. So let's get started.
Next, he tapes both corners of the screen. He uses a painter's tape from the 99-cent store. Next, places the ink on the screen right under the design. After that, he starts taking the shirts and place them all on the pallets. Next, flood the stencil, bring the screen down. Now give it about 2 to 3 strokes. Lift up the screen, make sure everything is good, then take it to the flasher and on to the next shirt. Once the first pass is already nice and flashed, we're gonna pass the second coat on the design. And once you do that, you're gonna remove it out of the palette, take it to the conveyor dryer, and make sure you wanna cure it at 320 degrees for 45 seconds.
All right, these are the last 6 shirts we got. Print, flash, print. I think in less than 20 minutes, we got it done, 24 t-shirts, man. Right now, let me just finish this. All right, here's all the t-shirts. Nice and done. Came out real nice. Perfect. So yes, you could do 24 shirts in an hour, starting from scratch, starting from getting that screen and coating it up, waiting it to dry, setting everything up. 1 hour for 24. Plus, remember when I was weighing the ink, it was like 10 ounces. So now I'm gonna see what's left over. And 6 ounces and 88, almost 7 ounces. So basically we used only about 3 ounces, 3¼ ounces of ink for 20 shirts. That's pretty good to always think about how much ink you're wasting on a certain image, and it'll let you know how much you're gonna charge when there's a lot of, big image, big front and big back, and you're gonna charge them like if I just printed these little words right here. You can't do that. It's gonna take a lot of the ink and you're not gonna make the same. So put that, always find out how much ink are you using. It always really, really helps. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out. Tell your boss, thank you for ordering from us. Let me walk you outside. No problem, my brother. I'll go through the back. Catch you later.